today we are making gluten-free holiday pancakes. So first thing, if you could put 100 grams of the gluten-free plain flour in, please. Lovely. Next step is to crack 2 eggs into the flour. 1, 2. If you could take the whisk and give it a good mix together. What we're looking for is for it all to be mixed together, so we don't want any flour. So it may get a little trickier to mix it, but that's okay. So if you can now measure 300 millilitres of milk. Perfect. Next is a bit of a two-man job, so if you can pour the milk in, and I'm going to mix it slowly. So let's go. That's it, keep going. Right, if you're going to give it a mix together. If we keep mixing, it will make a nice pancake batter. So now we're going to add the mixture back into the measuring jug. So what we do now, you can either use oil or butter. I find butter works a bit better. So if we get a little bit, okay, and then what we're going to do is melt it. So what we're going to do is pour a little bit of the mixture in. And just spread it out. And then we cook it on a low heat. So while the pancake is forming, I like to use a fish slice and then just gently push it back into the centre. It's very sort of battery in texture at the moment, but you need to be patient and just be slow, and then eventually it will form. I also find the first pancakes are usually not the best, so we've got enough mixture to do more than one, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's at a point where I can get the fish slice underneath and start to very slowly work it around. Okay, so you can turn it over now, hopefully. How does that look?
Good.
Very pancakey like, isn't it?
Mhm.
Okay, so here we go.
Yay!
Number 1. So what do you want on it?
Chocolate spread. And by the way, if you're allergic to nuts, then I would say don't have the chocolate spread.
Yeah, that's a very good point to make. You want to spread it on? There we go, that's how we make a pancake.
That one can roll.
There we go.
Wow! Voila!